Hey, if you want to record the slow motion videos on your Redmi 13C, for sure you can do this by using the Gcam. So take a look, when I open the video mode on the Gcam, I can switch to the slow motion. But when I go into the normal camera of the Redmi 13C, so that's actually this one, there's nothing about the slow motion, there's only the time lapse and the normal video. So if you wonder how to actually get this Gcam on this phone, I have got the full tutorial on my YouTube channel. You will have to type something like Redmi 13C download the Gcam and you will actually find my video. You can use the search engine on my YouTube channel. And now let me show you how this video looks. So I'm gonna actually record short video. So let me record like this. Let's play it. And there we go. Now I can bring it back. There we go. It's finished. So now let's take a look how this looks taken on this phone. I'm gonna rotate the phone. There we go. And now let's take a look. Okay, so as you can see, that's the slow motion, and for sure we can edit this slow motion with this Gcam just like this. Okay, and that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.